check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, guess what? I'm gonna open a box of Top Stadium Club. Came 2021 baseball cards. This is what it looks on the side. Look for the chrome brim card. Comes with 41 cards. Here's the young man. Hell is happy as hell. So let's see what kind of buried treasure we'll find. Let's do an extra bonus pack in here. Ooh, okay. This is one, the Master Photo that we're talking about. Come on. Master Photo card. So a total of 1, 2, 3, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards. 77 packages. 5 cards per pack. Easy to open up so far. First pack, Ryan Dixon. Well, that's what it kind of looks like. When it first came out, they had a rookie card behind there. Oh, you got like, Winfield. Let's see, a different kind of card behind there. And I was celebrating. Okay, awesome. Oh, cool. Next one. So with 41 cards, trying to find an autograph card. I don't know who this guy is. Nobody see the name. Jack Panic. Next one. There you go. Can't really see the name. Glare. Lewis. Oh man. He's all pumped up. Yeah. Robert Hayes. And Mitch White. This guy's happy. Oh, cool. Military players. He's a wild man. Jack Hood. Mark McGwire, old card. Back in the days. Oh, high quality with the Philly duck. That's quite cool. You can card with him. Great. I would say his teeth like hair. Got Will Clark. Oh, okay. Old player, Will Clark. Johnny Kane, Pumpkin King. We got Matt Olson. We got Bull. That's cool. And I got 2 more packs for you guys. Cool. Dodgers. And got no longer the Dodgers. Picture cards. Oh, relic, what's this one? Elvis good. It should be another card, or that's kind of cool, I guess. Get something else. And the last pack. Okay, real happy. Great Maddox. Yeah, the Joker. Thanks, fine. Orange Burks. All-time greats. Hall of Fame. Bob. No, that's one. So that's it, folks. Like, subscribe, let me know. Maybe better next time. Thanks for watching.